Hello. So today is Wednesday, March 12th, 2014. I have been trying to remember to put dates because probably helps people to know when these were recorded. I hadn't done that and was posting videos on my blog but wasn't posting them publicly, and then when I decided to do everything public, it came out with the date that it was published, not the date that it was uploaded. So anybody who's really curious, I guess, could go to my blog and maybe figure it out, but it's not as easy as it might otherwise be if I had at least dated everything. But I wasn't quite thinking at the time, so anyway, as I'm talking to you, the wind outside is howling, so you may even hear it because it's gotten pretty gusty tonight. They said it could get pretty, I think, in the 50-mile-per-hour range, so I love the wind, but it's kind of spooky hearing it being as strong as it is. So I felt like I should make a video tonight, but I really wasn't sure what I should make a video about. I received a message from someone earlier, and she told me about someone that she knows who's dealing with cancer, and said that she had been told about me by a friend, a mutual friend, and she said that, I don't know if she used the word inspired, but basically my journaling and blogging, she felt really touched her, and she felt like she wanted to pass along my blog to the person she knew who was dealing with cancer. And there are times that I really don't know if anybody is listening or paying attention, and then there's times like tonight when somebody shows up and not only tells me somebody's paying attention, but that it seems to be quite impactful. And I'm really grateful for that. I wish it could be more, not so much for my ego stroking, but it just really means a lot to me to know that I am making a difference. It's not that I would change a thing, because I'm really doing it primarily and foremost for myself, but it's just really nice to know that makes a difference on some level, and I get all excited about the fact that maybe, what I write about and talk about would actually be helpful to someone else. I think a lot of times people don't want to bother me and don't want to bug me, and it doesn't really do me any favors. I think that it's probably just as healing for me sometimes to interact with somebody as it might be for them when I interact with them. So, excuse me. And that's my little portable space heater thing that's going on right now. So, I guess I thought I would share that, maybe, even though I hadn't even thought about that until I got on here. I've been really struggling the last few days. A few nights ago was really, really hard. I've been doing some forgiveness work, and I don't know if the work is kind of getting to me, because it's stuff kind of bubbling to the surface, being released, or if it's other stuff, but I couldn't even sleep until almost 4 o'clock the other night, and it just really sucks when that happens. So, but tonight I'm feeling a lot better, feeling kind of charged up still, which I need to get some rest, because I need to, be up and doing some stuff tomorrow. I pretty much don't do much of anything a lot of times, and then I have to try to clump a bunch of stuff together in one day and try to get through it so something manages to get done. So tomorrow is that day. You ever feel like you should do something but you don't really know why you're doing it? Well, that's kind of like this video. So, anyway, maybe it's just going to be a short video tonight. So, I will also mention that my radio show, World of Perspective Radio, as is on W4CY.com right now, is going to be ending at the end of March, and I'm probably going to start doing more videos as a substitute for the radio show. So I'm not quite sure what that means. I actually did make a video a while ago and said I wanted to start doing videos every day, and I said pretty much which is what happened. Pretty much that the minute I said it was probably the time it wasn't going to happen, and that's exactly what happened. So, we will see. But anyway, I just wanted to mention that in case it interests you. I may have more of a TV show than a radio show going forward, so we shall see. I never imagined doing as many videos as I have, but it makes it a lot easier to make the choice now. So, anyway, I guess that's about all for now. You have a great night. Sweet dreams when you get there, and I'll talk to you soon.